Morning, everyone. So today we are going to review the passive voice and the present perfect, okay? The deadline, always the same for until next week, one day before our class, to receive 1 point. Guys, you have already received the content for mock test, but I decided to leave it here because for you to see it again. So the content for our mock test must and should question words who, where, when, why, what, which, and how, ok? Lembrem que tem o which como question words e tem o which como relative pronoun, ok? Synonyms, passive voice in the present perfect, cognates, relative pronouns, who and which, and the pages of the book here, okay? If you want to talk about that, we can talk in the end. Now let's see the answers from the last activity, okay? Teen Wolf season, the trailer, you were supposed to watch that and answer the questions. In the beginning of the video, what can the guy, Scott, listen to? He, it's a suggestion answer, okay? But the answer in fact is that, but you can write using another words. Some people wrote in using another words. He listens to a phone talk that is far, that is distant, as some people said, some people wrote, that is far from him. Letter B, what does the teacher do in the classroom? So they were in the classroom. The teacher presents a new classmate. Letter C, read. Scott McCall was just another kid in high school. Então, essa é parte de uma sinopse, né, que eu peguei online, to talk about the series, right? Until one night, his best friend Styles brings him to the woods to look for a dead body, and a werewolf has beaten Scott. Então, eu troquei um pouquinho, né, a sentença que estava lá na sinopse para a gente pensar, o tempo, né, verbal, e para a gente pensar numa sentence in the passive voice in the present perfect. Então, this sentence here, a werewolf has beaten Scott, in the passive voice is Scott has been beaten by a werewolf, right? If you don't know how to change into passive voice, pay attention. So here I left for you the explanation for that, okay? So the active voice, I'm gonna read it again. They have cleaned the house. In the passive voice, the house has been cleaned by them. Eu vi que teve um aluno, não vou dizer quem é, que confundiu aqui, ó. Ao invés de colocar o been, deixa eu mostrar aqui, tá maior. Been, dessa forma, escreveu B-N-I-N-G, been. Não é assim, prestem atenção. Então, o present perfect é formado pelo have ou pelo has, o been, verbo to be in the past participle, and the verb in the past participle, ok? Então, vai trocar o verbo pelo participio passado, na hora que for transformar in the passive voice in the present perfect. Don't get confused, please, ok? And here, back to the Teen Wolf, voltando ali a série. Answer, change the sentence. Allison's father has hunt Scott into passive voice. Então, olhando ali as cenas, né, pensando na série, eu criei aceitei isso aqui para vocês transformarem into passive voice. Scott has been hunted. Lembrando que o by Allison's father é opcional, it's optional. Okay, you can write that or not. Tá? Scott has, because it's an action in the passive voice, been hunted. Okay? Letter G. Do you think turning into a werewolf is a curse or a gift? Why? This is personal. People say that is cool, that's nice. People say it's a curse. Okay? So it's your answer, right? Page 119, the purple box. You were supposed to fill in the box, to fill in the blanks, sorry, with the missing information. So we have here, we use have or has, been plus verb in the past participle to describe something that happened with a focus on the action and not the subject, com foco sempre no objeto e não no sujeito. This is the passive voice. Number 1, have. Number 2, have. Number 3, has. Number 4, you were supposed to use the prompts. Some carry bags that have never been used. Some take rice that has never been cooked. 6, some take domestic appliances that have never been used. And the other one, observe the picture below and read the dialogue. Page 120, brown box. Write the synonyms. A synonym for threw away is dump. The trash, garbage. The assortment, collection. The opposite of trash, treasure. And number 5, mold. Okay? So this is the end of our last activity. And let's see the second part, the part that you need to send me until next week. Here, I left this box for you just to remember the cognates. So I'm gonna read for you, but you have already seen that, okay? So it's a word that looks similar in two languages and has the same meaning. Então, para aqueles que ainda estão confundindo, estamos aqui mais uma vez, ok? And the false cognates, a word that looks similar in two languages, but has a different meaning. On page 121, you have to look at the words and highlight the cognates. Okay, for example, material. So here, if you look, page 121, you have this box here and you have some cognates, right? And you have to highlight them. And the first one I did for you, materials, okay? And you have to answer here, answer the question about that. Okay, you can answer here because there's no space in your box. Okay. Is the treatment for waste, trash, and recyclables always the same? So you have the answer that. Page 121 and 122, you have to read this text. I wrote those 2 pages because the text, this text here, you have it in both pages, okay? So you have trash, 2 treatises, New York Center professor sees meaning in garbage about treatment for waste and find one example of wet and dry waste. Okay, you have to find that. You write here one example of wet waste, you write here, and one example of dry waste, you write here. Okay, here I looked for the same, procurei online o mesmo que vocês têm aí no livro de vocês, encontrei a imagem. Okay, trash and recyclables. Here just to help you, quem for fazer só usando a folhinha, para ajudá-los, tá? Because of it, I looked for on the internet. Observe the picture below. Também peguei essa imagem similar ao que vocês têm aí, para vocês responderem essa pergunta. To answer that, what are these workers called? So you look here, there is a professional collecting trash, okay, on the streets, and you have to write down the names, okay, the possible names or just one name. On page, if you go to page 122, you find this exercise. Answer these questions about sanitation workers do. How do they get to know people? So you have to answer that, okay? For example, number one, what do sanitation workers do? How do they get to know people? The first one I did for you. The sanitation workers collect people's trash and take it to a landfill. They get to know people by their garbage. Diapers show up in the trash when a family has a baby, for example. Então, as fraldas mostram in the trash when a family has a baby. Okay, so they observe that. Okay, this is study. Now, let's review the passive voice in the present perfect. So, some rules for that. In the active voice, we use has or have plus the third form of the verb in the past participle. Okay, so this is the active voice that you already know. Tá? Então, na voz ativa, a gente sabe qual é o uso do verbo. É o has or have plus third form of the verb. Mais a terceira forma do verbo, ou seja, o particípio passado. Na passive voice do presente perfeito, we are gonna use has been or have been plus third form of verb, a terceira forma, a terceira coluna que aparece lá nos dicionários do verbo, ok? Ou seja, particípio passado. In the active voice, for example, we have number one, girl has clicked selfie. This is an example. In the active voice. In the passive voice, a gente vai pegar o objeto e vai transformar em sujeito. Então, selfie has been clicked by girl. Number two, girls have clicked selfie. In the passive voice, selfie have been clicked by girls. And the other one, girls have clicked selfies. Selfies have been clicked by girls. Okay, so here some suggestion of sentences in the passive voice. E aqui um pouquinho mais, more exercise to practice the passive voice. Sentences are given in the active voice. Change them into the passive. Essas sentenças aqui foram criadas por mim, né, baseadas aí nesse tipo de exercício, para que vocês pratiquem in the passive voice, ok? You change into the passive voice. So letter A, Gustavo has finished the homework. This sentence is in the active voice. You need to change into passive voice. Letter B, the cat has drunk the medicine. So you change that. Letter C, the girls from 7th grade have used makeup. You change that. And letter D, Julia is an otaku. The words, a Japanese word, yeah, that I didn't know, that I learned with some students from 7th grade. She has watched Naruto. Ok? É uma das Júlias, tá? Okay, guys, so this is the end of our activity. You need to answer and send me until next week. I ask you now, please turn on your cameras and let's see all your questions, please.
Teacher, tem como se voltar na 119 na Purple Box que eu não peguei?
119, okay, I'll do that. Just a minute, let me share again because I had stopped it. 119, yes?
Yes.
Here, this one, purple box. Okay. You had any question about that? Or that's...
Não. É que eu não tinha entendido direito, teacher.
Okay, so let's see. O que
Vou
você não
tirar.
entendeu? Tell me.